Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. In this video, we'll explore how to earn $5,000 using ChatGPT and YouTube. Let's dive in. The first step to earning money with ChatGPT and YouTube is to create valuable content. Identify a niche or topic that you are passionate about and that has a demand. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, scripts, and even titles for your videos. This will help you consistently produce high-quality content that attracts viewers. John started a YouTube channel about digital marketing tips. He used ChatGPT to generate video scripts, which helped him create engaging and informative content consistently. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for getting your videos discovered on YouTube. Use ChatGPT to generate keywords and tags that are relevant to your video content. Include these keywords in your video title, description, and tags to improve your video's visibility. Sarah used ChatGPT to find the best keywords for her cooking channel. By optimizing her videos for SEO, she saw a significant increase in her video views and subscriber count. Building a loyal audience is key to long-term success on YouTube. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Use ChatGPT to craft personalized and engaging responses to your audience's comments and questions. Mike used ChatGPT to respond to comments on his tech review videos. This engagement helped him build a community of loyal subscribers who regularly interacted with his content. Once you have a steady stream of viewers and subscribers, it's time to monetize your YouTube channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program to start earning from ads displayed on your videos. You can also explore other monetization options such as channel memberships, super chats, and merchandise shelf. Emma reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, allowing her to join the YouTube Partner Program. She started earning money from ads and used ChatGPT to come up with merchandise ideas that she sold through her channel. As your channel grows, you can start collaborating with brands and sponsors. Use ChatGPT to draft professional collaboration proposals and negotiate deals. Sponsored content can significantly boost your earnings. Alex's fitness channel attracted the attention of sports brands. He used ChatGPT to draft collaboration proposals and secured several sponsorship deals, boosting his income. Leverage your expertise by offering online courses or services related to your YouTube content. Use ChatGPT to create course outlines, promotional content, and marketing strategies. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy can help you reach a wider audience. Lisa created an online course on graphic design using ChatGPT for the course content and promotional strategies. This additional income stream helped her earn $5,000 within a few months. Earning $5,000 with ChatGPT and YouTube is achievable with the right strategies. Focus on creating valuable content, optimizing for SEO, engaging with your audience, monetizing your channel, collaborating with brands, and offering online courses or services. Start today and watch your earnings grow. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Subscribe to Tech Info Guruji channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.